Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in into Williams Sonoma Credit Card account from our PC. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To log in into Williams Sonoma Credit Card account, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search Williams Sonoma Credit Card Login, and on the first result of Google you can see Williams Sonoma Capital One Credit Card. Click over there and from the direct website we are on the Williams Sonoma home page. Here you get the two options. Click on sign in. To log in into your Williams Sonoma Credit Card account you will be required to enter your username and password, then click on sign in. If you have forgotten your username or password, then click on forgot username or password and follow the procedures to retrieve your username or reset your new password. And this is how we log in into Williams Sonoma Credit Card account from our PC. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.